Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle, and I have two stocks that I would like to talk to you about today. Today is Tuesday, June 10, 2008, and the first stock is Vision Sciences. That symbol is VSCI, and Vision Sciences is a company that trades on the Nasdaq. And please have a look at the chart for me. And if you notice that the stock did pull back from the highs of about $6 at around May 12th, and after that pullback, it went down to about $4.50, right around this area right here. But as of today, the stock did start moving to the upside, and all I'm looking for is a break above that old high at about $6, and I have my pivot point set up about $6.05 to $6.10. So a move above that area would take the stock into new high grounds. And also MAC divergence right here is also turning to the upside, and we also have the RSI as well, which is turning to the upside right in this area right here. So a move above this trend line right here would take the stock a lot higher. And also we have the on balance volume, the money flow indicator, as well as heavy volume going into the stock as well. So please keep this stock on your radar. And if you notice as well, we have the volume at the end of the day today at about 356,000, and that is double the amount of the average daily volume, as well as we have the last price at about $5.60. So that was at the end of the day, the stock did close up 21 cents or 3.9% on the day. So please keep Vision Sciences on your radar for a future move to the upside. The next stock that I would like to talk to you about today is Walmart, and that symbol is WMT. Walmart Stores is a company that trades on the New York Stock Exchange, and please have a look at the chart for me. And if you notice, the stock moved from around this about $46 area, and that was around January, about January 7th. You will notice there's a doji right there, and after that doji was formed, after the slight pullback to the downside, the stock did take off, and as of today, the stock closed at about $59.78. And you will notice that there's a doji right here at the top of the range, and that was about the beginning of May, and the stock did pull back, and there was another doji that formed right here, and basically after those two dojis, this one formed and the stock moved down. This one formed and the stock started to move up at about $55, and as of that doji formation that formed, the stock did pull all the way back up, and it moves to the upside. And as of today, the stock closed at, like I mentioned, at $59.78. But what I'm looking for is a price break of the $60.05 to $60.10, and that will take Walmart into new high ground. And also the stock did cross all its moving averages. It is above its 5, 10, 32, 50, and the 200-day moving average. And also have a look at the MAC divergence. The MAC divergence did cross at the same time the MAC divergence crossed, and this doji basically that I showed you earlier did form, and the stock did break out and move a little higher, and it did break the highs that it formed back in the beginning of May, right here at about $57. And after that move, which that was about 3 trading days ago, the stock did move to the upside, but we did have a gap right around here from about $57.90 all the way up to about $58 and about 50 cents, and the stock did end the day at about $60, and basically that $60 area has been upside resistance on the stock price. And as of right now, like I mentioned, we do have a cross on the MAC divergence. Also, there is a cross coming right now on the relative strength. The relative strength is getting ready to break above the trend line that I drew right there. And also we have the on balance volume, which needs to cross this trend line right here, and that would take the stock into new high grounds as well. And also we have the money flow indicator on the upside, heavier than average volume is going into the stock, and they are all good signs that the stock will continue higher. So please keep Walmart, that symbol again, WMT, as well as VSCI, Vision Sciences, on your radar for future moves to the upside. Thank you again for listening to WizzWatch. Have a great day, and as always, happy trading.
This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.